Are you a Kapha dosha? In your yoga class, the instructor might have told you that you are a Kapha dosha. Unfortunately, though, he or she didn't expound much on it, leaving you curious on what a Kapha dosha is. Here are a few facts about Kapha dosha that may help answer a few of your questions. Kapha dosha is one of the 3 doshas described in Ayurveda, the ancient medical system of India. It is said that a person has a predominant dosha when he or she is born. This dosha will determine the type of body, strengths, weaknesses, temperament, and constitution of the person. Kapha dosha, according to the Ayurvedic text, is the combination of the elements water and earth. A person dominated by Kapha tends to be soft, cold, sweet, unctuous, stable, and slippery. Among the 3 doshas, Kapha is easier to spot in a person. Kapha dosha body structure. One way of knowing whether you are a Kapha dosha is through your body structure. Basically, a Kapha dosha person is born to have a large frame. They are heavily built and basically tend to be overweight. This is most especially true when Kapha is not in balance. Kapha doshas also naturally have thick and dark hair and have oily skin. Kapha dosha characteristic. Aside from the physical structure of the human body, a person can also be determined as having Kapha dosha through his or her characteristics. People with Kapha are naturally calm in words, thoughts, and actions. They are supportive when it comes to relationships and are easygoing. They also have a strong and stable constitution. It is believed that loyalty is one of the best traits of a person that has more Kapha. This is most especially true when it comes to family and friends. As for sleeping, they are known to be heavy and long sleepers. They tend to get uncomfortable in clammy and damp surroundings. Balance in Kapha dosha. Kapha dosha can be in or out of balance. That may cause positive and negative effects respectively. A person with a balanced Kapha has a large build, and that is natural, which simply means that the Kapha is in balance. Being overweight, however, to a point of obesity, could mean a Kapha that is out of balance. If symptoms of Kapha imbalance are showing, there are different ways on how to counteract it. A good example of this would be regular vigorous exercise. Having a good diet of fruits and vegetables, and reducing intake of oily and cold foods are also good ways of balancing the Kapha. The environment can also be a big factor when it comes to balancing Kapha. It would be more favorable to stay in a warm place, rather than in a cold and damp one. Warm weather is also very suitable for balancing Kapha.